you think judiciary is also lagging behind in expeditiously deciding these petitions? Because if it is subject to final order, there should be some urgency about deciding those matters.
See, judges of the High Court are bound by the law laid down by the Supreme Court. Okay, and there are certain concepts in law which are there for a long time. Normally, when you challenge a legislation, the courts normally don't stay the legislation.
Yeah.
The normal order is subject to final order.
Yes.
But you are making a different point. In such matters, why should not these matters be heard expeditiously?
Yeah.
I agree with you on that part of it. But what happens, I'll tell you. Now, Goa is a much smaller place compared to a city like the seat of in Bombay. Every day a judge has to hear about 50 to 75 matters for admission only. Okay? Now, people do not know that to read those matters and come ready for the next morning,
Yeah.
a judge must sit down either late in the night or get up early in the morning to read all those files and come back prepared so that matters can move. Otherwise, you'll be sitting with one matter, if you were like a government employee,
Yeah.
one file a day, nothing would move.
Nothing would move. Yeah.
In these matters of defections, decide immediately.
Yeah.
Because these are matters of...
you cannot decide after the term of the assembly is over.
And you can't keep those matters pending.
Yes.
One way or the other, finally take a decision
Yes.
and lay down the law. Now, once if some judge interprets it, well, fine. Right, I may not agree with it.
Yeah.
But somebody has applied his mind. Application of mind.
There is some finality to it.
So one way or the other.
Yes.
But you can't encourage defections by keeping silent over the matter and sitting over it.
The MLA should not feel that nothing is going to happen in the court of law, so they are free to do whatever they want.
And frankly, every political party everywhere does this. It's
Yes.
not that one party does
Yes,
that.
yes.
So therefore, but lay down the law.